Let's learn how to simplify a fraction. Several things to go over. What is a fraction? Well, a fraction looks something like this. Two numbers where you have the top number and the bottom number. So I would read this as a fraction 1/2 or 1/2, such that the top number is called the numerator, the bottom number is called the denominator. How do we know a fraction is simplified? Well, we have to make sure there is no common number that can divide into the numerator or denominator. Let's look at an example. Here it says simplify the following: 12/36. So the first question I ask myself, is there a number that goes into 12 and 36? Or more precisely, is there a common number that can go into 12 and 36? And actually I do know this, since these are both even, I can divide each one by 2. So 2 is my common number. So 12 divided by 2, I get 6/36 divided by 2, which is 18. And I can ask myself again, is this simplified? Well, I just have to know, is there a number, or more specifically, a common number that can go into 6 and 18? Again, since they're both even, I know that I can divide them by 2. So 2 is my common number. And 6 divided by 2 is 3/18 divided by 2, which is 9. And again, is this simplified? Well, is there a common number that can go into 3 and 9? And there is. I can divide each one by 3. So 3 is my common number. 3 divided by 3, I get 1/9 divided by 3, which is 3. So 12/36 in simplified form would be 1/3. So whenever you have fractions, you always want to simplify, so we're looking at the same answers. Now, if you notice, we have to repeat this process more than once. Anytime that happens, it means you did not pick the biggest number or the biggest common number that can go into the numerator and denominator. So let me look at that one more time. So 12/36. So you have to think, what's the biggest number that can go into 12 and 36? And remember, it has to be the same number. Well, in this case, I know that the biggest number that can go into both is actually 12. I can divide each one by 12. So 12 is my common number, and I do 12 divided by 12, I get 1/36 divided by 12, which is 3. And I can see I get the same answer, except it only took me one step. So the good thing that if you don't notice what's the biggest number, all you have to do is repeat the process and you will get to the same answer. But if you know your times tables, you'll be able to get to the answer much faster, so it does save time. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe.